Good evening, Samaira. What are you doing?
I'm making homemade hot chocolate.
Okay, and how are you making?
So, for the ingredients, we need is sugar, cocoa powder, and salt. We will add 1 teaspoon of sugar, depending on how sweet you want it. 2 spoons of cocoa powder and a pinch of salt. Water.
Okay. So it's very little water.
Yeah.
Just enough to mix it.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then we will put the sugar.
Okay. Can we put everything together also?
Yeah. So I'll just put it. And then
What we need to do?
we'll have to mix it properly till it dissolves.
I can see it's a very beautiful cup. Is it you?
Yeah.
How old were you here?
I don't know, 1 2 years.
Yeah, I know you were 1 year old. Okay, now it's dissolved and it's boiling. Now what we need to do?
Now we will add milk.
Okay.
1 cup if you're making 1 cup.
Okay. So you're making for yourself?
Yeah.
Will you share this with me?
If you want.
Okay. So it seems like your hot chocolate is ready. You're just waiting for a boil. Anything more you'll do?
Yeah, we will add 1 drop of vanilla essence.
Okay.
And then we will again mix it. Stir it.
Okay.
Now it should be ready.
And how do you like to have your hot chocolate with?
You can add marshmallows if you want.
Okay, so you like your hot chocolate with marshmallows?
Yeah. I'm loving it.